Animaker. And you might be wondering, what is Animaker? Animaker, and if you use it, Animaker, you can make animated video. And you can have so many effects. So let's get started. So I open Google Internet browser and I will search in here, and you can search in any internet browser. It just needs to be internet browser. So I will search Animaker. So I already searched it, so I'm just gonna press it. And it is Animaker, Animaker, and press it. So you will see all of these, but you will see the top which is said Animaker, make animated videos on cloud for free. And you're gonna press it only this, not these, just this one on top of it, which is that. Press it. And if you press that link, you will see this. And go to login, because we can't start without logging in. Yeah, so we're going to go to login. And my internet is not that good, so we're going to wait a little bit. Okay, you will see these. And you can join with Google or Facebook. And you can join on Facebook, you can join to your account, or Google, you can join to your. You can join any of them, but just one. And if you already start joining it, like if you already start joining it, you can put your email address and password too. And we're gonna press Google. I'm gonna press Google because I'm gonna sign with Google because Google is more easier. So let's press it. Okay, and then you will see all of your Gmail, and you can join to any email that you like. I'm gonna join with this email and press it one time and wait because my internet is not good. So right now at Animaker, and if you're in Animaker, you will see these four, and these are of what do you want to choose. You can choose your goal. So first is business work. It means your business work. And next is personal work, freelance work, and education work. But I like education more, so I'm gonna choose education. You can choose any goal of them. I'm just gonna press education. Press it. And you will see these. And that means, what do you do? Did you do teacher? Did you do student or other? I'm a student. So I'm just going to press student. If you're a teacher, you can press it. You can press anything. But I just, a student, press ticket the student and then press done. So next is, how do you want to do work? And next is, I want to create videos by myself, or I want to class to also create videos with me. You can also make a group and you can class it too. But I'm just gonna make video by myself, so we're gonna just check it. And it said, thank you for your time, because we answered all the questions, and press done. Oh, it's done. So this is how is Animaker, and there are more of Animaker. Yeah, and I go in. yeah, and these are all the Animaker. Oh, if you come like this, just press it because, just press cross because, no, it is like tutorial. If you want to watch it, you can. And these are all the video. And if you know, you can also make their video more good. You can fix their video, and you can also make your own video. We got a little bit more vertical size, kind of rectangle. We got square size. We got very long vertical size, and you can choose size also. Yeah, and this is very cool app. So I hope you all liked this video. If you like this video, like this video, big thumbs up, and please hit the notification bell because I'm gonna be told more about Animaker to make more introduction or something. So make sure you hit the notification bell so make sure you not miss any of Animaker video and other videos. So bye.